Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Namaste. My name is Devlina and today I'm going to create this classic golden eye red lip look. This is one of the staple looks that most of the Indian women can pull over and they use on a regular basis for any sort of occasions and festivals, etc. This is also the look which I love to create on a regular basis for any sort of an occasion or a festival. And since most of the Indian festivals are around the corner, I thought might as well just share this look with you guys. I know because of the COVID situation going on, we may not be celebrating our festivals like we do on a regular basis. But I thought might as well we could just put out the makeup, get ready, and that's all, like just jazz. And yeah, let's just get started. Also, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button. Your support will mean a lot to me, so please support. Also, make sure you follow me on my Instagram because I upload very cool content about makeup, skincare, fashion, etc. So without any much further ado, let's dive in for this beautiful makeup. So to begin with, I'm using this Climax Moisture Surge and massage it really well into my skin. Next, I'm using the Nykaa's Prep Me Up Face Primer around my T-zone specifically to smoothen it out because I have my larger open pores there, and then spread it over my face. I'm using this Maybelline Superstay and Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 320 and mixing them on the palette. Applying with the brush. But for blending, I'm using this beauty blender to blend it really well into my skin. Next, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer under my eyes and to hide any of my darker spots. Blending is really important. Using the stick blush from Sugar in the shade 01 Coral Climax and blend it with my fingers. Using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in the shade 25 Medium and using this PAC Powder Brush for the application. I'll be applying under my eyes and keep it for 30 minutes, then apply it all around my face and the neck area. In the meantime, it gets all baked and then I buff it off. Using the Nykaa Eyes on Me 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette in the shade Smokey at 8. Using a flat brush for the base color. This is from the Do Care that I bought from Amazon. After that, I'm using this brown shade to give some definition and depth to my eyes. Using another flat brush to blend it really well. Then I'm going to use my fingers to take these glitter shades in golden and bronze and apply the golden shade first from the inner side, and then use the bronzer shade from the outer side. Same I'll do for the next eye as well. Look at the pigmentation, guys. I really like the pigmentation of this palette. It really pays off so well for the price that it offers. I really like this palette so much for its pigmentation, like so well. And then I'm blending in with this brush. Again, I'm using this flat brush to blend this color totally. Using my PAC 217 brush to blend it well further. Then I'm using the K Beauty eyeliner in the shade black. Using my eyelash curler to curl my lashes. Then I'm using the Sephora Mascara on my upper lashes. As well as my lower lashes. Now I'm going to apply the falsies off camera. Once I'm done, I'm using this Glow Gold Shimmer Brick in the shade Good Old Gold. I love this highlighter palette so much. It's like perfect for the look. I'm using the inner corners of my eyes. And then I'm going to highlight all over. Firstly, I'm highlighting my nose. Then on my cheeks, cupids and the chin. Also a little bit over here on the shoulder. Now for the eyebrows, I'm using this Brow Girl Brow Definer. Using the Sugar Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade 21 and 52. Using the darker shade to outline my lip very carefully, because it's how you create your lips perfect. And then I'm going to use a lighter shade in red to fill in, to give me the fuller lips that I want. And that's it for today's video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, Shubh Ratri. Bye.